Why can't I buy crypto on Webull? Why can't I buy some crypto on Webull? It's a common challenge that some people experience whilst using the platform. We are going to talk about it in this video. Why somebody might have problems buying crypto on Webull. Basically, Webull lets you trade cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, but sometimes users hit a wall. So they click buy, nothing happens. So what might be the reason, and maybe how can you fix that? So maybe you have not turned on crypto trading on your Webull. You need to have to enable crypto trading in your Webull settings first. That's something that some people forget to do. If you're going to trade crypto on Webull, you need a real cash, cleared cash, not just pending deposits to buy crypto. So you might be trying to buy crypto, but your funds are still pending. They have not yet cleared. That's something that you need to check. Even after depositing, Webull might take 2 to 7 days before they clear your funds and before you can actually trade. So that might be a reason why you are not able to buy the crypto that you want. Maybe you've got zero crypto buying power, which means Webull doesn't see enough usable money in your trading account in order to be able to execute your crypto purchases. Check about that. Then there might be some issues with the app or the platform. Sometimes Webull's crypto system goes down for updates, or maybe it's because of a bug. So just try to read around and see if there is no maintenance or there are no crashes